Good afternoon, everybody. Be safe, be responsible. Okay, class 7th students. Now, this is my third video of chapter first from your book Honeycomb. Now, the king was trying to find out the answer of his three questions. But then others said that there were some things which could be urgent. These things could not wait for the decision of the council. So the particular persons of the king's courtyard told him, and the wise persons who came to tell the answer, they suggested him there were some things which can't be wait for the decision of the council. In order to decide the right time for doing something, it is necessary to look into the future. Means they are asking they ask the king for the future. If you want to find out the right time, you have to look into the future, and only magician could do that. The king therefore would have to go to magicians. They confused him. Because of them, king was not able to find out the answer, but also confused. In their answers to the second question, some said that the people most necessary to the king were his counselors. Others said the priest. Means some of them told that the counselor were most important. What was the second question? To whom the person whom very important, most important to king. That was the second question. So they told them the counselor was most important. Counselor means members of the council. Other said the priest means जो पुजारी होते हैं वो ज़्यादा important हैं according to them. A few others chose the doctors, and yet others said that his soldiers was the most necessary. All of them had different opinions. Some said counselor were more important, some said priests were most important, doctors were, and some said soldiers. To the third question, some said science. What was the third question? Okay. So third question was, what is the most important thing for him to do? So they answered him for the third question. Some said science is most important, some others chose fighting, and yet others religious worship. Some select science most important, and some fighting, and some were religious worship. Okay. Now, as the answers to his question were so different, the king was not satisfied and gave no reward, because there was not a single question which satisfied the king. So he not reward anyone. He had not rewarded. Instead, he decided to seek the advice of a certain hermit who was widely known for his wisdom. Now he wanted to go for a hermit. Hermit means a person who lives alone and leads a simple life. Means like a saint. Okay. Now he wanted to ask the question from the hermit. He had a belief in his mind that the particular hermit should know the answer. The hermit lived in a wood which he never left. Wood here means forest. He saw no one but simple people, and so the king put an ordinary clothes. When the king went to hermit, he put on ordinary clothes. Okay, before he reached the hermit's hut, the king left his horse with his bodyguard and went on alone. Means he wanted to be a simple person. He pretend him like a ordinary person. He don't want to pretend himself like a king. Now, next paragraph and next video. Till then, stay safe, stay home. Goodbye.